Hi there, welcome to another video of Just Being Earnest. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of this mini electric cooker that I bought recently from Powerpack. So let us take a look of the content inside the box itself. So for this Powerpack mini electric cooker itself, it comes with adjustable power, high and low. So this allows you for different type of usage. And it also comes with a removable cord for convenience cleaning. So when you want to clean the mini electric cooker itself, you get to remove the cord from the main body. You can use it for cooking, steaming, or stew at home, office, and hotel, and any places that has an electric source. So over here, we have the instruction manual itself. You can read it for yourself. And then we also have the warranty card, which gives you a warranty. This is the cooking lid. And this is the removal cord. So when you want to cook, you just need to plug it to a power source and plug the other end to the pot itself. And then we have the steam tray. So if you want to cook corn, potato, or anything like dim sum, you can use this steam tray to cook your food. And then this is the non-stick inner pot. So as you can see, look and through from the reflections of it, this is actually non-stick. And then there's the button to on off as well as to adjust the temperature. This is the bottom of the pot. And then the place where you put in to plug the power source to the cord itself. And then the design itself, it comes with a handle. So this allows you for easy cleaning as well as easy cooking. So when you want to cook steam food, then you just put water at the bottom, put the steam tray at the top, and then you just cover the lid for your cooking. So if you are not going to be using the steam tray, you simply remove it and then you just cook the food into the pot itself. So here you can see the items that comes with this purchase. You have the steam tray, the lid, the non-stick pot, the power cord, instruction manual, and the warranty card. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something new today. Do give a like and subscribe to my channel. Also do check out the links in the description for our blog. I'll be creating videos about personal finance, lifestyle, company reviews, investment, and side hustles. You can also let me know what you want to watch, and who knows, I may do a video about it. Have a great day ahead, and bye-bye.